For over a century, the Big Bang has been the cornerstone of our understanding of the universe's birth. It's the event that shaped everything: the galaxies, stars, planets, even the fabric of time and space itself. But what if I told you that everything we've come to believe about this monumental event is now being questioned? That a new wave of discoveries from the most powerful space telescope ever built, the James Webb Space Telescope, is rewriting the very origins of the cosmos? These findings are so startling that scientists around the globe are struggling to reconcile them with the Big Bang theory. Could it be that the story of the universe is much stranger, more complex, and far older than we ever imagined? To understand the scale of this revelation, we first need to go back to the beginning, or at least what we thought was the beginning. According to the Big Bang theory, around 13.8 billion years ago, all the matter in the universe was compressed into an incredibly dense, hot point, smaller than an atom. Then, in a fraction of a second, this singularity exploded, and the universe began expanding at an unfathomable speed. For decades, this theory has been backed by solid evidence. The cosmic microwave background radiation, discovered in the 1960s, is seen as the afterglow of this ancient explosion. Galaxies appear to be moving away from us, suggesting that the universe has been expanding ever since that cataclysmic event. Piece by piece, we built a story of cosmic origins that seemed bulletproof. Until now, the James Webb Space Telescope, JWST, with its groundbreaking infrared capabilities, was launched to give us an unprecedented view of the universe's earliest days. Scientists hoped it would reveal what the cosmos looked like a few 100 million years after the Big Bang, the so-called cosmic dawn, when the first stars and galaxies began to form. But what Webb found was shocking. Instead of young, chaotic galaxies in their infancy, it captured images of ancient, well-formed galaxies that seemed to defy our understanding of cosmic history. These galaxies appear to be far older than they should be. Some of them seem to have formed just 200 million years after the Big Bang, but instead of being chaotic, they are smooth, compact, and fully developed. Almost like finding a fully grown adult where you'd expect a newborn. Think of the universe like a jigsaw puzzle. For years, we thought we had most of the pieces: dark matter, cosmic expansion, background radiation, fitting perfectly into place. The picture was incomplete, but at least we had a good idea of what it should look like. Now, with the James Webb Space Telescope, it's as if someone has dumped a whole new set of puzzle pieces onto the table. These new pieces don't seem to fit with what we know. The galaxies Webb is uncovering are older and more evolved than anything predicted by the Big Bang model. It's as if we're seeing the end of the puzzle before we've even completed the beginning. These unexpected galaxies pose a huge problem. The early universe should have been a chaotic, turbulent place, full of hot gas, newly forming stars, and primordial dust clouds. But what James Webb is showing us are galaxies that are smooth, orderly, and far too developed for their age. Imagine walking into a nursery and finding a room full of middle-aged people. That's the kind of shock astronomers are experiencing. How could these galaxies have grown so quickly, defying the timeline set by the Big Bang? These discoveries are sparking fierce debates within the scientific community. If galaxies like this existed so early, does that mean the universe is older than we thought? Or could it mean that our understanding of galaxy formation is fundamentally flawed? And if our understanding of galaxies is wrong, what else could we have missed? And then there's dark energy, the enigmatic force that's accelerating the expansion of the universe. Since its discovery in the 1990s, dark energy has been one of the greatest mysteries of modern physics. It makes up about 70% of the universe, yet we know almost nothing about it. What if this force has been influencing the formation of galaxies in ways we never considered? Could dark energy be the missing link, explaining why these galaxies appear so old and well-formed? You're pulling apart a rubber band. The faster you pull, the quicker it stretches. Now, if the universe is expanding faster and faster, thanks to dark energy, could it be that galaxies formed at an accelerated pace in the early universe? Could this faster-than-expected growth be the reason we're seeing such old galaxies where we thought none should exist? Let's simplify this further. Imagine the universe's timeline as a movie. The Big Bang is the opening scene. Chaos, explosions, and rapid expansion. The middle part is where galaxies, stars, and planets begin to form, eventually leading to the universe we see today. But what James Webb is showing us is like skipping over the opening chaos and going straight to the middle. It's like starting the movie right at the point where everything is already calm and orderly. The problem is, we've missed out on the most critical part. How did we get from chaos to order so quickly? With these new discoveries, some scientists are starting to question whether the Big Bang Theory is the whole story. Could there be other processes at work that we've yet to understand? One idea is that the universe didn't start with a single explosion, but could have undergone multiple cycles of expansion and contraction. This theory, known as the cyclic model, suggests that the universe could have bounced from one state to another, rather than beginning with a singular event. Other theories go even further. What if the universe is part of a multiverse, where countless other universes exist alongside ours, each with its own laws of physics and timelines? The galaxies we're seeing could be relics from a previous universe, remnants of a time before the Big Bang, or perhaps fragments of another reality entirely. The multiverse theory opens up a dizzying array of possibilities. If there are other universes out there, each with its own Big Bang, its own stars, and its own galaxies, what might they look like? Could we one day see beyond the boundaries of our universe and glimpse the edges of another? And what if our universe is just one small part of an infinite cosmic web, each strand representing a different version of reality? The discoveries made by the James Webb Space Telescope are only the beginning. Every new image, every new galaxy it uncovers is a piece of a puzzle that is far bigger and far stranger than we ever imagined. As scientists dig deeper into the data, they are being forced to rethink the most fundamental aspects of our universe. What if the Big Bang wasn't the start of everything? What if there's something beyond? In the end, the more we learn, the more questions arise. What really happened at the dawn of time? Is the universe older than we thought, or is there something even more mysterious at play? As the James Webb Space Telescope continues to explore the farthest reaches of space, it's clear that the greatest mysteries of the cosmos are still waiting to be uncovered. One thing is certain: the universe isn't done surprising us. The universe, it seems, is far more mysterious than we ever imagined. The James Webb Space Telescope is uncovering findings that challenge our deepest held beliefs about the cosmos. What was once thought to be a settled story, the Big Bang, now appears to have cracks as galaxies emerge that defy the timeline of cosmic evolution. These discoveries force us to ask unsettling questions. Is the universe older than we thought? Did the Big Bang even happen the way we've long believed? Or is there an entirely new, hidden chapter of the universe's origin yet to be discovered? The universe has always been full of surprises, and as the James Webb Space Telescope continues its journey, one thing is certain: we're only just beginning to scratch the surface. The questions we face now may forever alter our understanding of the cosmos, and in doing so, lead us toward answers that are even more extraordinary than the mysteries we're uncovering. The truth of our universe might be far stranger and far more wondrous than we could ever have imagined. And that's the beauty of exploration. The more we learn, the more we realize how much more there is to discover.